Natalie with SYS here, and on this Tech Tip Tuesday video, we are going to go over what observers can and cannot do in Canvas observer accounts. Let's check it out. In Canvas, parent, guardian, or learning coach accounts are called observer accounts. As an observer, you will have limited permissions that allow you to see what is going on in a course without interrupting or participating in the course. Here's what you can and cannot do as an observer in Canvas. For one, you can see the calendar. You can see all student events and assignments due on the calendar. They can also filter the calendar view by the different courses. For example, and view undated events and assignments. Observers, however, cannot schedule events on their students' calendars. These events are instead added to the observer's personal calendar. Observers also will not be able to see whether or not an assignment is completed on the calendar if they are using Canvas in the web browser. The Canvas parent app, however, will show this on the calendar, and we'll get into that in another video. Observers can see how a teacher has organized a course content in modules. So if you go over here to the course and you click on modules, you can also see the point values for individual assignments. However, observers can't submit assignments or quizzes on their students' behalf. This always needs to be done in the student's account. You can also view course announcements by clicking on Announcements in the course navigation. Just like students, observers don't have the ability to respond back to the announcements. You can also see the Quizzes page. You can see the title of the quiz and the summary of it. However, much like assignments, observers cannot take quizzes on behalf of students. Within a course, observers can see their students' grades. You can switch between courses by clicking the course drop-down menu and selecting another course. Observers cannot add comments to graded assignments, though, unlike students. Observers can view the submitted assignments as well as any offered feedback for it. Observers can click on the inbox link to access student conversations. Observers can view any messages that the teacher or student copied them on. Observers can also message instructors, but currently cannot message their students. And that's all there is to it. Alright everybody, I hope you found that video informative, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and check us out for next week's Tech Tip Tuesday video. Have a good one!